I'm gonna get up from the table. I'm watching PJ Masks right here. So, yeah. I accidentally dropped you. That's why I just went like and stuff. So, we got these 4 Mashems. And I got a PJ Masks one. So let's open it. Hold on. These are very hard to open, as you can tell. I feel like I'm opening an LOL doll. I kind of want Owlette, but then at the same time I want Luna Girl. You're probably not gonna get either of those. But we can try. Yay! You guys, we got Luna Girl. Okay, one, she's super squishy. She has her angry face, and then she has her little Luna magnet. Whoa, that's so cool. Wait, what? In the picture, does she have her Luna magnet? Let me check. Yeah, in the picture she does. Okay, then we're good. So, we opened all our Mashems. But the fun's not over yet. But we got these 5. Put her in the middle. Got these 5. Super squishy. Love them. Now we got a big slime bucket. Let me take off my scrunchies. And let's take off the plastic. But I'm super excited, you guys, because I've been waiting all day to open this. Not really all day, because we just got home from Walmart, but still. Oh my gosh. How do I open this? Can someone give me the information of how to open this, please? You know what? I have an idea. Mom! I need your help.
Wait, what?
I can't open this. So it's called Super Gooey Fun. It's Nickelodeon slime, and it says Smoothie Pink. Pink smoothie.
Let me see.
Don't actually drink this, you guys. It's slime. And do not eat slime, kids. Do not eat slime. It is toxic. My mom's helping me. And also, if you use scissors or anything like that to open stuff, use parent supervision. Stay safe. But I'm 10 years old now, so. But you still need parent supervision. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Kinda sticky. Smells weird. Ah! Mom! Mom just put slime on my forehead. Is there anything left? No, I don't think so. With this pink slime, I just took a little out, but It's clear slime. I didn't even notice that in the bucket. It's really pretty. Just saying. Let's get it out. I had a blue one, but I had to throw it away because I had to. I don't remember why, to be honest, but I threw it away. I think it got like tough or something. Got too rough and dried up, so I had to throw it away. But yeah, I had a blue one, but I don't have a pink one. And I'm not putting the foam balls in because it's great without foam balls. Alright, it can poke, obviously. Really good. But let's see if it can make a bubble. It made a bubble. Really, like, crackly. See if it can make a swirl. Super stretchy. Like, look at this. It goes out of the camera. It makes a swirl. I love this pink slime. On a scale of 1 to 10, how do you rate this slime? I rate it a 10 out of 10 because it's a really good slime. I mean, it's clear, it's pink, it crackles, it makes swirls, it makes bubbles, it pokes. What more could a girl ask for in slime? I'd rather a Gucci purse, but you know. I'm kidding, this slime is awesome. Super fun. And if this video goes without an intro because I can't edit things together, don't blame me because I'm not a professional and, well, I'm just not. And I don't know how to edit things. Neither does my mom. We're not professionals. So if this video goes on the internet without an intro, I'm sorry. Let's just do the intro right now. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I'm on. Make sure to subscribe, hit the notification button, give me a huge thumbs up. There, you get an intro. But, you know, it's the best intro you're going to get because I can't edit things. And that's my fault, not yours. So, I'm trying to get the plastic off. You know what? It's just going to go with plastic. You can unlatch these things somehow, but I don't know how you like get the foam balls out. Comment down below if you do, you guys, because I have no idea. Maybe one day we'll find out. But for now, let's go to the next thing. Got fluffy sand slime. It's for 4 and up. So don't play with this 4 and up. If you're not 4 and up. So Raina, my friend's sister, just turned older now. I'm going to get scissors, you guys. Don't run with scissors. Don't run with scissors whether you hold them the safe way or not. Okay, now we're good. Almost. Never mind. We're not good. Ow. Eh. Eh. guys, you might just not get to see the bloody sand slime. Okay, there we go. Okay, I opened it all the way. Whew. Take some out. Oh my gosh. Ugh, it smells. Wow. It's like stretchy Play-Doh. I really like it, you guys. Comment down below if you like it. It's super soft. Like, it kind of wants sand stuff on your hands, but... Oh, wait, there's something in here. Wow! It even comes with molders. Now, so guys, I'm going to be going on vacation next week. I'm bringing you guys along with me. And sneak peek, you might see my cousin in a video we do. So, might not. Also, look at this. Oh my gosh. So satisfying. Can you hear anything? Like, it doesn't make any sounds or anything. But that's okay. Try to make a crab. I made a crab. Look at my crab. It's beautiful. Ooh, there's another molder. Ugh. How do they fit these things in here? It's a dolphin. Yay. Sorry, that's my sky scratching on the door. But anyway, we're having too much fun with the sand slime. We'll get more molders and out maybe in the end of the video if you get this video to 10 likes, at least 10. So then we'll get more molders out. But if we don't get to 10 likes or over, then I'm not opening that slime ever again. Da da da. Okay, guys, I'm kidding. I still like this video because why not? You have nothing else to do, right? Right? Besides watch this video to the end, so because you like it, I hope. Okay, I'm gonna go get my dog for that. She scratches the door down. Sorry, guys. Okay, I'm back. I'm back. I'm back. I'm back. Open this breaking slime bottle. Guys, comment down below if you could do this better than me or faster than me because you probably can.
Need help?
Nope. I got it. Perfectly fine. Ah! There we go. Whoa. It has a cool texture. Not as clicky as the first. Oh, does not smell good. It says No glue needed. Oh, wait. It doesn't say it's supposed to have. Sorry, guys. It doesn't say it's supposed to have a good scent, so I guess we're good. Okay, it's stretchy. It's very thick. I don't know how we're, like, supposed to make it color change or anything. I'm gonna go try and find something. I'll be back. I'm coming, you guys. Okay, I got a black light. It's for slime. Hold it. Okay. Now hold it on the side of the slime for you guys. Anything happen? I don't see anything happening. Let's leave it there for a second, and I'll tell you if it color changes or not. I have an idea. Before we check if it color changes, let's make sure it does bubbles. Oh, yes, it does. Wow. Perfect. Good slime, good slime. I have an idea. Wait. Okay. Look, part putty. I'm going to take some slime, a little bit of slime. Okay, that's really stretchy. I barely wanted to rip. Put it on this. Let's put it on my black light for like till we get to after we're done with the next slime, and then I'll show you at the end of this video. So let's put it down there. And now let's move on to the next slime. Also, there was this paper thing. So, yeah. Okay, we're moving on to our last slime, but it's not our last thing. Oh my gosh, you guys, you keep falling. That's us. Okay. No, oh my gosh, it smells like clean clothes. It smells weird to me. I don't know why it smells like clean clothes. It smells like blueberries from a distance, but when you get real close, it's strong and it smells like clean clothes. So, I don't know what's wrong with that, but we are going to take this slime out of the box. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. It's lighter, it's darker on camera, but that's okay. You can see me. That's how clear it is. See if I can make a swirl. Look how pretty it is. It shines in the sun. There's a window like right across from me, so right, ready? Shh. That's so satisfying. Okay, let's get the rest of the slime out. Sorry guys, I'm looking up at my mom. If you see me looking up. In my old videos, I looked up a lot. Like, what am I supposed to do, Mom? I've always wanted to be a famous YouTuber. My dream is to be like a pop star or something, like JoJo Siwa. But that's probably never going to happen. But, never say never, people. Right, Mama?
Right.
By the way, you guys, Mom has a beautiful voice, and she's very beautiful. Mama promo. My mom promo. And I want to give a special shout out to everybody who subscribes to my channel. And also, I'm going to give a shout out to everybody who watches the video. I'm going to shout out a special shout out to a guy named Jason. We call him Big Daddy. He's my dad's best friend, and I haven't seen him since I was a baby, and I miss him. I want to meet him again. So I want to give a special shout out to him. And a special shout out to my mom and dad if they're watching this. Well, obviously my mom's watching it because she's right there on the couch. But yeah. I'm going to give a shout out to my nanny and Poppy, my best friend Chloe, and all of them. So make sure if the comments are open, you comment down below. Jason, Chris, Melody, and Chloe, and Laurie and Jean. Comment down below those 5 names, or however many that was. Comment down below those names if the comments are open, because those are my family. If they're not my family, they're really close and they're like family. So, yes. But this slime is really good. I'm picking out these like blue beads so I can play with them and crunch them with the slime. It's like they're pom-poms. I don't know why, but I like picking them out and putting them back in and then doing it over again. There's a lot more slime in here. I'm just starting with this slime. But I know I haven't made a video in a while, you guys, so I wanted to make one for you today. But it's only because I don't have a lot of video ideas. I want a gaming channel, but I can't get one because we don't have the equipment. But at least I still have this channel. It's my family channel. And yeah. I love this channel because it doesn't just celebrate one person. It doesn't just celebrate me. It celebrates, let's just pretend this is my mom, okay? She's not Luna Girl. She's not Evil Boy. Let's just pretend this is my mom. It celebrates my mom, my dad, and me. No, my mom can be a boy because I have no other girl. Let's just pretend this is a girl. My mom, my dad, and me. It celebrates all my family because it's the Grimes family. And if you want to be a part of the family, you have to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss a video. Because we do awesome things on this channel. We do a lot of unboxing videos of LOLs. And you might know Chloe from unboxing at LOL with her like a year ago. It was so long ago. But, yes. Also, Mama, look, we got molders in the sand slime. So I could bring those to the beach with me.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. I'm just going to pick these out real fast. I just wanted to make this video a long one because I really missed you guys. And I haven't made a video in a long time. So I wanted to make a video as long as I can, but my mom's telling me to hurry up, so yeah, I'm gonna try to, but we still have 2 more things to show that I got at Walmart, and yeah, hurry and pick these out. I'm sorry, this is a long video, but you guys because I just really miss you guys and I can't think of any other video ideas. So I'm just talking and playing with my slime. So I haven't done a video in so long. I know I keep saying that, but I haven't. And it makes me sad because I love you guys. I love every single one of you. You're like family. But you're not family. But you're my subscribers. But still. Let's make a swirl before we have to put this slime. Okay, let's do this. I can do a trick. You want to see it? One. Flip. Boom. Flip. It looks darker on camera, but it's really not that dark. Okay. Getting it out of. Okay, you guys. I also got this bow. It's a JoJo bow. It's a mermaid bow. And then I got these scrunchies. But my mom said I have to hurry up because I'm using her phone. And, it's just, she needs it. So I'm going to come over here. So, I hope you liked this video. If you didn't, make sure to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and give me a huge thumbs up. Woo! And I'll see you all next time. Bye! Love you guys. Also, don't forget to read your Bible and some bros. And don't forget, Jesus loves you. I love you. I miss you guys, and I have to get off, so I'm sad. But, love you guys. Bye!